important to keep your hands clean for your healthy. Respiratory virus like coronavirus disease, which is COVID-19, spread when the markers or droplets containing the virus get into your body through your eyes, nose, and throat. Most often, this happens through your hands. Hands are also one of the most common ways that the virus spread from one person to the next. The best way to prevent illness is to avoid being exposed to this virus. You can take steps to protect yourself by cleaning your hands properly. So we can start it now. To get started, you just need water and hand soap. You don't need a lot of material to wash your hands. Let me show you 7 steps to wash your hands properly. The first step is wet your hands and apply enough soap. Second, rub your palms together. Third, rub the back of each hand. Fourth, rub both of your hands while interlocking your fingers. Fifth, rub the back of your fingers and rub the tips of your fingers. Sixth, rub your thumbs and the ends of your wrists. And the last one is rinse both your hands properly with water. And finally, dry with a clean towel or disposable paper. Hand soap are easy to find, and it also does not require high cost to buy it. You can also buy it from any grocery store. Is there any reason for you to not wash your hands properly? Most germs that cause serious infections are spread by people actions. Hand hygiene is a great way to prevent infections. For example, hand washing with soap can remove germs from hands. Okay, this helps prevent infections because people frequently touch their eyes, their mouth, their nose without realizing it. So you can follow the step that I showed you just now to maintain your personal hygiene for your personal care. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Norazra binti Mamaisa, and I would like to share with you all about how to protect and how to make DIY hand sanitizer to prevent COVID-19. Do you know COVID-19 usually spread from an infected person to other through sneezing, touching your hand and shaking your hand, or touching an object or surface infected with the virus. Another way the virus can be spread is when you put unwashed hand into your mouth and your eyes. However, to stay safe, wash hand frequently. Use hand sanitizer to avoid the transmission of bacteria and virus. Let's do a DIY hand sanitizer. Okay, step 1. Put the jojoba oil and put aloe vera oil just a little bit. And then this I put lemon, pandan, orange, and rose. And you mix all the essential oil and all the ingredients. Mix all. Actually, essential oil depends on you. Easy, right? While even frequently hand washing and using hand sanitizer is not guaranteed that you won't get sick. With this COVID-19 coronavirus, it is one of the best methods for reduce your risk. And remember to sneeze into your eyebrow or your shoulder. Okay, the hand sanitizer is ready to use. I will try it a little bit. Wow, so lovely. Thank you for watching.
Hi, my name is Sarah. Coronavirus probably is the most hot topic at the moment, and some of you guys maybe have difficulties to find surgical masks at pharmacies and even hand sanitizers. Today, I will show you how we can do our own mask by using some material that you can find in your house. Let's begin. You need to make your own mask. First is the kitchen towel. Second are some of the rubber band. The last material is the ribbon. First, you can have 2 or 3 layers of the kitchen towel and fold it like this. You can fold until the end. Second step, you can use rubber band to tie a knot on both ends of the kitchen towel. Instead of using rubber band, you also can use stapler to staple at the end of the rubber band. The final step is you can tie ribbons on the end of the rubber band. Now you can open up and this is how it looks like when you put on. Homemade surgical mask that I show you guys, of course, is not the exact thing that you can compare it to the actual surgical mask. You should have waterproof material on top of this layer, and actually there are waterproof napkins that you can use. It may not protect 100% comparing in the actual surgical mask because it's just a normal napkin. But it's good to have something rather than you are exposed to any germs if you are going out in public. That's all from now. Hope everyone be safe.
How to make a homemade disinfectant spray.
Hi everyone, and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nanisha Izati. So today I would like to share to you an effective way that can be prevent from virus to spread. With a global pandemic right now, it is vital to ensure our personal safety against the spread of virus. So I think this is a perfect time to talking about how can we make a homemade disinfectant spray. This is not only cheap, but it's easy to do. So before we begin, we must to make sure we have the ingredient and the material. And the first thing that we need to do is we must to make sure our hand is clean. So you must to wash your hand first. To begin, you will need this following material. First material you need is the tablespoon. As you can see here, this is the tablespoon, not the teaspoon. So the next material is the spray bottle. This because it's easy to you for use. As you can see here, you just can spray and spray and spray. So the next material is you need the jar. The jar, or you can use the measuring cup. So for the first ingredient you need is to fill the water like 500 milliliter. If you can see here, this is 500 milliliter. And the next ingredient is you need the Dettol. You must to use this Dettol, not the shower gel Dettol. This Dettol show the antibacterial disinfectant, so you must to use this one, antibacterial disinfectant Dettol. Now we have all the ingredients, so we can begin the step to making homemade disinfectant spray. So now let me start. Step is you must to use 1 tablespoon Dettol. Okay, 1 tablespoon Dettol with the 500 milliliter water. Mix the 1 tablespoon Dettol. Okay, don't forget to close this one. For the step 3, after you mix the water in the Dettol, you must to fill this spray bottle with this. Step 4, you must to make sure to secure this lid. Okay, the last step is you can spray away. For example, you can spray away this one. It's easy as that. So now everyone can have their own disinfectant spray. No need to buy more. We already learned how to make a homemade disinfectant spray that using a simple material and ingredient that we can have at our home with only using 5 steps. I also hope you will try to make this simple way to prevent COVID-19 from spread and protect ourselves and keeps others from contaminated as well. Goodbye and thank you for watching.